So hello guys, my name is Prathamesh, and today this is presentation leaving the code base of the Bank of Baroda loan chatbot application. So I show you a demo first of all, and then we move forward to the on coding part. So give me a minute, okay. So this is an Streamlit app where we created a front-end application for our chatbot application. Here I can ask anything like regarding to loan, like what is the interest rate of personal loan. So I just okay. Fix the okay, I think it works. So this answer is the interest rate of personal loan or is 9% per year, it depending upon our credit score also. uh, so another what is the PMMY scheme. uh, so it seems like you are Pradhan Mantri. I just uh, okay. Here is it seems you are referring the Pradhan Mantri Yojana scheme for more application. Okay, this is the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana regarding scheme. Okay, another which can we can ask information about what is required document to take apply for home loan. Okay, so for an home loan we can see there is a complete duty sign, two passport photos, Aadhaar card, election card, PAN card like requirements, and the proof of the electricity bill, election card or Aadhaar card. And for salary employee, additional requirements documents are available. So these are the information, and for this getting information we can see these are the chunks it retrieved from our vector databases with these scores. Okay, so after understanding the application, we move forward with the code base. So first of all, we created an application, and this here you can see there is a research folder, and in research folder there is N1 Jupyter notebook. So for with this application, with this function, we have to scrape all the information, all the URLs available in the website. We scrape and store in our scraped pages like folder, and store it locally. We go moving forward, we reprocess that. We remove the unnecessary requirement links like contact us, about us, like pages. We deleted that and store only the information regarding to the loan requirements. With other than that, we have moved to pre-processing part, and we find there pre-processing, like we remove the unnecessary white strips, white spaces, header, footers, and unrelated exclamatory marks, header, footers, and unnecessary white spaces. These are we deleted, and move forward to store the information into the after that after doing the pre-processing, we store our data. We load our data using the LangChain part, and that documents in use the text splitter format. So here we have to split the text into 1000 is 100, but actually I chunk it on the 1000, and overlapping is 550 words per token. So as per that, we converted into the chunks. After converting into chunks, we store it in a files database. In files database, after storing that files database, whenever user asks a query, so it goes to the vector database, search within semantic search formula, and after the semantic search, it extracted top 3 or top 5 related chunks, and that chunks and the system prompt or move forward to the LLM, and we are using the Langchain's chat graph, like Quen 332B application, this model for an generating the response from the LLM. Okay, so these are the store. For now, I created an local data vector database, and directly we load the pre-trained files database, load the pre-generated files vector database, so we can move forward with the computational skip the computation, so we have to save some time there. And for this we are using llama 3.21 8B instant model to generating the response. Okay, that's all, I guess. Thank you, hope you like this video.